everyone, welcome back to Silver Lake Honey channel. Today we are going to do a second check on our nuke hive and our package bee hive. Last week we did the inspection and we found queen, we found eggs, larvae, we saw nectar coming in, pollen, even capped honey. So in this inspection we're going to check and again compare the two and see if they need second box. So let's check our hives. The first hive that we're going to check is a nuke hive. So we're going to smoke the entrance. I see a lot of brand new comb, white comb, means they're bringing in nectar. And it looks like they're pretty strong. So these guys will definitely gonna need a second box. So nuke is doing really good so far. So first thing that we're gonna do is remove this extra wax that we have on top of our frames. So we want to smoke them good so they go down, so we don't kill any unnecessary bees. So we don't kill any bees. So what we're gonna do is just scrape and then remove any bees on them, because when you smoke the bees they try to collect honey. And then we want to save every piece that we can. So we're gonna melt this and make wax for use for candles and stuff. Traditionally we always remove the second frame, but this time I'm gonna remove the first because I see it's not drawn on this side, so it's easier to remove slowly. Oh yeah, we have beautiful new nectar and capped honey on this frame. As you can see, it's all capped and brand new wax and nectar. Beautiful. So I'm gonna set this frame aside, and this side they didn't do much, so they just started making wax. Okay, let's check our next frame. Let's see. There's capped brood, larvae, a lot of larvae, and all eggs on this side. Okay, I don't know how well you can see camera, it's hard to pick up, but all these cells are being laid like eggs and larvae. So we have nice capped brood, uniform capped brood. A lot of pollen coming in too inside. So these guys need room for sure. 5 frames are the original nuke that we started with. And okay, you can see there's queen right here on the bottom. She doesn't like sunlight, so that's why she's moving away. It's on the other side right here. Very, very nice queen. This year's queen. We raise our own queens, and the best queen that you can have is when you raise your own. Okay, let's check our next frame. Okay, it's all capped brood, larvae, eggs. Okay, another capped brood. Okay, so these guys are ready for the second box. So this is the frame we're gonna move up on the second box, because we have caproot, we have honey. So we're gonna flip this one so they do this side of the frame. Okay, and we're gonna flip this one too. And we're gonna put empty frame. Now you can, I don't like to do this when it's colder weather, but now with good temperatures we can do some checkerboarding. So put the undrawn plastic foundation between already drawn and between these frames. So we are gonna add brand new second box and take the frame from the middle and put it down, and take the caproot frame and put it in the middle, so the bees come up in the second box faster. We do also is take wax, and we melt the wax and then use a roller to apply new wax on these frames. But if you don't have a lot of wax, you can use 1 ounce bars or piece of wax and just rub these foundation really good. So it's all these cells are covered with wax. It will be a lot easier, and bees will draw this a lot faster than with wax that come in. We save our own wax and use our own wax because you can also have contaminated wax on paraffin inside the wax. So if you don't have wax, buy it from your local beekeeper, So I'm gonna put this frame between all the drawn frames so they will draw it faster, and move one capped brood frame up. So let's do that. Okay, let's put back this last frame. Take this new box. We don't want to squish all these bees. Like I said, these are stingless, very, very nice bees. See? But for beginners, I would suggest using equipment like a veil or jacket with gloves. So like I said, we're gonna put it in the middle. We're gonna put right in the middle, and then press these two. So this way bees will move up faster. If we just put foundation, sometimes it takes time. They're a little hesitant to move up and start drawing. But when we move a frame with caproot, they come up, they start drawing the rest of the frames faster. So that will conclude our nuke hive inspection, and let's check the package behind. Okay, let's check our package hive. Oh yeah, they used a lot of pollen patty, and they used all the syrup, so that's good. So looks like they 1, 2, 3, they used 4 frames. This is the pollen patty that we made from our own pollen that we save throughout the year, and then we freeze it, then grind it and make our own pollen patties. So syrup is all gone. Okay, so we have some caproot larvae on this first frame, and also capped honey, some nectar coming in. It's not bad. So what we're gonna do with this frame, we're gonna turn it around so they have this, they fill this space faster, and also they start drying this next frame. Okay, next, here's a queen right here. Nice young New World Carnelian marked queen. Very, very nice. Got pretty good pattern, and once spaces that she missed, she's putting eggs too, so that's good. Put her back. Let's check the next frame. Also a lot of caproot. So imagine all this, when all this brood comes out, it's going to be a lot of bees. So pretty soon these guys are going to need second box too. For now, you can see pollen too. Larvae right here and eggs. Okay, so looks like they used 4 frames. So what I'm gonna do is checkerboard a little bit. And do gonna do 1 drawn frame, 1 empty, 1 drawn, 1 empty, 1 drawn, 1 empty, and 1 other drawn. And so that way they will start working on these faster and fill it up. We're also gonna add some more sugar syrup, and hopefully in a few days, you know, they'll be ready for second box too. So I like the package bees too. So, but of course the nuke hive is doing a little better. They need box right away, and they have a lot more frames with caproot and stuff. But package bees is catching up. So if you do it right in the season, you know, of course there's a big difference if your nukes are for the winter climates, if they overwinter harsh winters. But even if you buy package bees and requeen with winter hardy queens, you will be fine. So let's put back the pollen patty, and we're gonna fill again our sugar syrup and close them. For now, that will be end of our pack.